Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the upper left door hinge on this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a T25 Torx bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to detach the hinge cover. Lift up the clasp and detach the dispenser water supply line. Disconnect the wire connector and unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Now, using the T25 Torx bit, unthread the two mounting screws securing the hinge. Have an assistant help to hold the door in place as you lift the hinge up and remove the bushing to detach it from the wires and water tube. You can now fully remove the old hinge. To install the new door hinge, feed the water tube through the hinge, then push the wires through the slot in the hinge. Reinsert the wires and tube in the bushing, then insert the bushing into the new hinge. Position the hinge on the door and cabinet and thread the two mounting screws to secure. Reconnect the wire connector. Reattach the water supply line. Secure the grounding wire with the screw. Realign the hinge cover and thread the screw to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.